Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody's trying to do a really neat looking frame where you have like the name of the person or the name of the lake or the name of the something in the frame. And this is, if this was all open area and didn't distract from the picture itself. So we're going to left click, right click. Now there's a couple of ways you could do this, but our frame isn't connected. So the easiest way to do this is to take that Austin, the word Austin, and go to the outside with rounded corner. We're just going to do a 1/2 inch and we're going to contour. That's really too much. Let's go 1/4 inch, 0.25. That looks pretty good. Now what we can do is go to object and break the contour apart. And then at this time you could move it around if you wanted to, and it doesn't really matter because this stuff is going to be gone. It's just the lower stuff we really want. So, and particularly I don't really like this, but maybe it'll work. Then instead of welding it, just take your virtual segment delete key. Well, first of all, we're going to take let's see what our nudge factor is set on 4. Let's take the word Austin out of it. So we need to delete. First of all, I would always start by deleting the stuff that's inside this part of the frame. And go ahead and delete this outer stuff. And at this time, you could actually delete like that inner stuff and delete this and actually delete all that and actually delete all that and go right there. Now, if you look, let's put a color to this frame. Make it like a brown wood. And let's move it out of the way. And then let's left click, right click, and then we can take our word Austin. Let's go ahead and fill it in, but make sure you have no outline so you won't cut it out when you're cutting out this frame. But if you look, now the word Austin is, now that the word Austin, I was trying to get it off the page. Let me move it over a little bit more. Now you have the word Austin, and it could be the city, and this could be a downtown map of Austin, Texas. This could be, a name of a lake. As long as this part of the wood didn't interfere with your frame or your subject in your frame, this is a really neat, just adding a little bling to a frame. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.